Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to make steamed chicken flour. Boneless chicken or chicken breast piece, 500 gram. Mince the chicken. Chop half onion, 1 inch ginger, 3 pots garlic, 2 green chillies, coriander leaves and green onion. All these goes into the minced chicken. 1 tablespoon salt, black pepper crushed and garam masala powder. Mix all together and keep it in refrigerator for 30 minutes. Remove from the refrigerator and make small balls and roll into the soaked rice. In a steamer, place cabbage leaves / lettuce and keep chicken balls one by one. Cover the steamer and cook for 15 to 20 minutes in a medium-high flame. Remove from the steamer and serve with tomato ketchup mayo dip. Serve hot. Try this recipe and comment me below. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button to get notified when I upload. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, bye.